Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's our very own Andoduma has hired a knot with a Grammy Award winning musician Unaremni. Unarems Rambani. I hope you all know him. Ongamazin Seche, and here's a pic of him. They married in a private traditional homecoming ceremony held in Tando Vinda. This couple, guys, it was so awkward because it was strictly an invite only. And as we all know, Ntando Tuma and teasing her relationship here on social media. But it firstly sparked speculations in April with a photo that was flaunting. Because the engagement ring yakhe, and then over the months she shared subtitles as Hintela as husband and all in all. And once there was a t-shirt declaring her love for him, and in 2022 Duma described her relationship as the healthiest, and as we all know, a relationship I cannot the rock. It was so toxic. She even cried on a public platform as you could see. She thought Junior was what's this soulmate yakhe, like usofa silahlane wakhe, and then she got pregnant, wathola umntana bahlukana. We all grow apart, but le kaJunior, I think uJunior bekangakabi ready to settle, and uNtando yena was ready to settle. As you see, uNtando is such a focused girl. But guys, we are because this is the healthiest relationship she has ever experienced in Billionaire K, and emphasizing mutual respect and open communication and uthando, obviously. And masikhuluma ngo-Junior Rocks, guys, open communication way. Because obvious uhlala fihlile u-DJ, but let us not badmouth uJunior since omunye shadile, because when they are co-parenting is such a nice thing. Bakhulisa usibahle kahle, guys. Like I haven't heard news flaunting on internet also uJunior support usibahle or bad news. We haven't heard bad news from Junior The Rock and Ntando Duma's co-parenting. I hope Junior will accept Una Rems as aka trusted Ubonga. Ubonga. I don't know his name, but the baby daddy of DJ's into 2 ways. Who's the child? Cairo. Like she's in safe hands. I hope not Junior The Rock's trust Una Rems in parenting umntana, because uyobahlala nabo full time. Net nje basibazotshintshisana ngama-weekends and all. And I'm just assuming. The wedding was nice and all, and we wish them well in the upcoming years. Thank you guys for watching.